Have you been styling your waves and curls for a while now? Are you getting a little bored with your single styler results? Maybe it's time to try out one of these 3 product combos. Alrighty guys, I'm excited for today's video. We will be talking my top 3 favorite product combos. My eyes are watering, ow, ow, ow. First off, if you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney, and I love using tips and tricks from the Curly Girl method to improve the health of my hair, to enhance my waves and curls, and to fully enjoy all that my hair can be. My hair is fine, wavy, and low porosity. We talk all things wavy curly hair science on this channel, so if you want to hang out some more, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. It really does help me out, and it lets me know that the video did what it was supposed to do. I want to be as helpful as humanly possible because wearing my waves and curls has been one of the most transformative things in my life. I went from hating my hair to nurturing and loving my hair, and then embracing the hair that I am fearfully and wonderfully made with. And it did good things for my soul, guys. It did good things for my heart. It unlocked the deepest self-acceptance I have ever known. So that is why I'm here. That is why I'm sharing with y'all. I want you guys to experience that as well. Without further ado, enough of this intro. Let's get to the top 3 product combinations that I enjoy. I lied. I want to cover why you might want to combine your stylers in your hair at all. Like, what's the purpose? Why layer stylers in your hair? Well, I personally find that I can really tweak and alter the overall look of my waves and curls when I choose my products thoughtfully. And I tend to get the benefits of both stylers when I layer them. I do want to start off by saying that I am strictly referring to styling products in these product combos in this video. I am not going to be referring to moisturizing products that you leave on your hair, i.e. leave-in conditioners and or curl creams. I am assuming that you have already shampooed and conditioned your hair, applied your moisturizing base, whether it's leave-in conditioner or curl cream. This is that step, the step after leave-in and curl cream. All right, I'm going to be sharing my most recent beloved combo that I just tried. Turns out that I'm not the first one to try this. I thought I was being original, but more than one human has combined this. And when I shared that on my Instagram that I had styled my hair with these 2 products, I got a lot of DMs saying, "Oh, I tried that and it's amazing." So I'm not the first one to think of this, but I think everybody needs to try this. If you happen to have these 2 products kicking around in your cabinet, I got some killer results. I layered the Curlsmith Curl Defining Styling Souffle with the Trelux High Definition Gel. This is a principle of layering products that I have used for quite a long time. I have enjoyed putting something like a custard styling souffle, something that's not necessarily a gel, but is also not a curl cream. It's in between curl cream and gel. Kind of got this weird sort of jelly consistency. I have enjoyed putting these products underneath a much harder hold type gel. So custard topped off by a hard hold gel has always been a combo that I've reached for, but recently I put these 2 together and this is how my hair turned out. Now, this is a very recent product combo. My hair has been a little bit more elongated as I am currently pregnant. Yay for hormones. But what I noticed with this is that I had really good wash day longevity and hydration. Layering these two products together locked in both hold and moisture, especially for these fall months when things are getting a little bit colder and a little bit drier. This will be a product combo that I will be reaching for absolutely 100%. Again, also, side note, both of these products are amazing one and done stylers in my hair. If I'm not feeling like layering my stylers and experimenting that day, if I just want to slap something into my hair, both of these performed beautifully on their own, but they were extra magical when I combined them together. Next up, I want to share a product combo that I tried nearly a year ago on my hair and just never got around to sharing here on this channel. It was an incredible curl enhanced ringlety wash day. I combined the InnerSense I Create Hold and Harry's gel. Yes, this is a men's hair gel that you can find from Target, but it is 100% curly hair approved. It does smell like a men's hair gel though. Anyway, when I put these two products in my hair, this is what my hair looked like. It was perhaps one of my most curl-defined, ringlety wash days I had ever had. And here is why I think that is. My hair is wavy and fine. It needs lots of support. It needs lots of encouragement. And both of these products are hard hold gels on their own. Again, I have styled my hair with these products on their own and they work well as a single styler. But for funsies, I thought it would be fun to combine both of these together on one wash day just to see what would happen. I got amazing shine. The InnerSense I Create Hold has some aloe in it that lends shine and moisture and nourishment to my hair. This is a medium to hard hold gel. I wouldn't call it the craziest of hard holds. My hair tends to feel softer with this product than with other really hard hold gels. The Harry's gel, however, will shellac your hair into place. It almost adds a little bit of grit to the hair, and my hair doesn't feel very soft, nourished, or moisturized, but it has incredible hold. So I took a hard hold gel that is slightly more moisturizing and topped it off with a hard hold gel that was slightly more gritty and had amazing hair. The hair was a little bit heavier, perhaps almost weighed down. And I do want to mention that I use about half the amount of each that I would normally use if I was using it as a single styler. So if I use 1 teaspoon of gel to style my hair, I will grab half a teaspoon of the Harry's and half a teaspoon of the InnerSense I Create Hold. I'm not necessarily using 1 teaspoon, I'm using half and half. Okay. That was a really fun product combination that I need to reach for more. I loved that. I really liked it. There was one drawback to that, and that is that my hair took an incredibly long time to dry and get diffused because gels are occlusive and these are hard hold gels. So they hold and lock the moisture into the hair more so. So it took forever for me to diffuse my hair, which is perhaps why I haven't reached for these combo again, but it was so ringlety and shiny and pretty. I think this needs to happen more often. What do y'all think? The last product combo is one I have talked about and shared multiple times on this channel, but seriously, if you haven't tried it yet, you need to. You need to get you the Aussie Instant Freeze Gel. Apply this to soaking wet hair, plop your hair, and then apply a mousse on top. Now, I was hunting for this exact product combo. This is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk mousse, which happens to be my favorite mousse. And this just so happens to be my favorite drugstore gel. It's got some aloe in it. It's medium hold, really adds a lot of shine. I don't get crazy curl enhancement or crazy wash day longevity when I use this product, but when I plot my hair, take some of the water out, and then gently scrunch in a mousse on top of this product, boom, there is wash day longevity and increased hold. But the nourishment that this gel provides my hair underneath, and then increasing the hold by adding a foam or a mousse on top, really, really works well. You may be asking yourself, Courtney, why didn't you put the mousse underneath the gel? I personally find that when I put a mousse underneath a gel, the gel kind of binds down the mousse and keeps it from giving my hair the volume that I so desire. It also makes my hair feel more producty and build-up-y, whereas when I put the gel underneath and then the mousse on top, I personally prefer that combo. I have done it with many different mousses. I have done it with the Herbal Essence mousse from Target. I have also topped it off with the Pantene Curls mousse in my sister's hair, and that turned out absolutely stunning for her as well. My camera died and I forgot what I was saying. But anyway, I have topped off the Aussie Instant Freeze with a variety of different mousses and have really, really loved the results. I'm holding up this one instead of the Herbal Essence or the Pantene Curls mousse because this just happens to be my favorite, and I couldn't find a video of when I've used these two to style my hair together. But I have, and I love it, and it's magical. All right, guys, that is it for my favorite product combos. If you have a favorite product combo, go ahead and comment down below and share your knowledge with us. Let's help each other out in the comments. It's always so much fun to hear what works in someone's hair. Everyone's hair is so different, and it's so much fun to hear what works for one person and test it out for yourself to see if that's the next magical combo for yourself. And as always, I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.